Your seat for a while. Thank you so much for your participation. God bless you guys. Alright, this time. Okay, this time, I know that you are the highlight for tonight's celebration. The spotlight is on you and you are so beautiful with a heart. I think also you are so kind. So before anything else, I would like to ask you just a few questions. So how's your feeling tonight? Kamusta imong gibati aron ma?
Bulbaan. At the same time, happy kayo ko. Sa mga nag-live. Thank you very much.
Oh my God, no? That was so sweet of you. Alright, so once again, you will now take your seat for a while. Kasi ganihan rin ka nagbaros. Alright. Wow, I love this scenery, no? The view, very purple and very colorful. So this time, to formally welcome us all, can we have someone? Hey, Ricardo Graho. Sir Ricardo Graho, you are highly requested to do your welcome address to everybody. Come here, a big round of applause, please. Atang pakpakan si Sir. Di ba? Impromptu, no? May buong na lang ka. Sige.
May gabi sa tanan. So, wa mo kay bawan. Ako din mo. Pero salamat og dako sa mitambong sa gikan sa Leyte, gikan sa San Fran ang uban, sa Tudela, sa Puro, taga Puro,
Mindanao.
mga parinti, mga kuan, mga higala ni Mauri, mga igsuon, mga iyaan. So, salamat nga niya mo karon og salamat sab sa nagkuan nagmugna o nagplano ani nga mahimo ni nga event. So, welcome ang tanan na ko nga ma-enjoy ang matag usa kunya ma-sense niyo ang kuan ang selebrasyon ug usa ka nindot karong gabi. So, welcome niya na karon para magingaw ug masaksihan nato ang selebrasyon sa 18th birthday ni Mauri. So, daghang salamat. So, Mauri to.
Thank you so much, sir. No? Okay. Grabe, impromptu tanan. Okay, this time, as part of the ritual of every celebration, we will always be having the slicing of cakes for the information of everybody. So when you actually attend, no, kung attend ng mga wedding or a birthday celebration, so natin yung mga slicing of cakes, this actually symbolizes, kinsay pwede na mama, and mama lang siguro. So we will be having the slicing of cakes. This symbolizes the firmness, no, sa ilang ilang relationship together as a parent and a daughter. Sayang sa cake ko kuan. Dayon wala man nabay. Walay baso no for wine unta pero dili na siya wine, coke lang unta to. Ali bang ali nanay mami, mama. Say tawag mo, okay? Damoy ka.
Wakada. Kutsara na lang. Kutsara na lang. Kana lang.
Of course, kailangan tayo candle the ray, manganta na lang tag happy birthday because after this, manihapon sa ano no? After nila continue ta. Dayon natay pagasabutan no niya ha, nga wala jay manguli after this. So, kinsa pwede maka okay na baglago na. Gamay lang.
Wala man. Nasa lamisa.
Lighter. Namoy lighter.
Birthday sa ikaw na lang hindi. Hindi ba yan? Dugay jacket ka.
I like ang
Okay. So, as you can see here, everybody eyes there is
Ay,
at
ito sa
tubangan
ito sa
tanan.
ito sa
Asa man ka pwede mo kuhanan?
Mag-slice ka na. Sa likod lang.
Sa likod lang ako kuha. Ma'am, no? Kaya yan Asa na lang nakita. Okay. Sige. Then manganta po dito ang utruon niya. Kailangan tayo mga 18 candles. Okay? Sige, so. Can we all sing together the happy birthday song? Okay, so everybody, let's sing together. Happy birthday to you. 4, 3, 2, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kuha pa. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, you may now approach the candle and make a wish. Happy birthday, Jane. Go make your wish. Alright, a big round of applause, please. Okay, no, as you can see, careful kayo si mama or mami nga likuha sa cake. So, ana ang iyang pagkuan, no? Pagtagad o pag-amping sa iyang anak. So, karon, gabay na kayo, ma'am. Ay tabo, imo siyang mungitan, that simplifies or that implies nga kung unsa kadako ang imong ihungit niya, ingon ana kadako ang imong gugma. Okay? And same with you ha, sa imong mama. Okay? Sige, unahin sa... Okay. Uy, dako-dako, Jun. Sige, say ah. Alright. Okay, so ikaw sa imong mama. Then prepare sa papa for the wine, ha? For the wine, for the coke wine.
Andiyan na, Kim.
Okay, big round of applause again. But this is what made us surprise.
O gani. Unya na.
Hello, Kai. This is actually the surprise because, hello, mommy. You will give your wishes to your beautiful daughter tonight. Just a little wishes or anything that you can say.
Okay, ako na kasi sa kanyo. Ako wish mo na yung kanang magbalik pa yun sa kanunay kanang kung ano mo na magasigon ka sa kanunay nagbalik pa yun. Ako na bansa yung mga ikaw ka
my God, wow. Wala yung hag, mami, or kiss? No, kalinaw, kalipay, kadasin. Para siya sweet words. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. Sarap, no? Ang sarap makarinig ng ganon. Okay, thank you so much again. This time, atong ihangyo ang, of course, ang padre di pamilya. Asa si Sir Joe?
Tata na, tata.
Ihangyo si Sir sa pag-ari. Alright, the cake represents the sweetness of life and the joy of celebration. It signifies the beginning of a new chapter, a time for growth and new experience. And this time we're up to have the wine toasting. The wine represents the complexities and nuances of life, the bittersweet moments that shape us. It symbolizes the understanding that life is not always easy, but it's also filled with rich experiences. Okay. Tatay or Daddy, Papa, can you make the wine toasting? Dili ra din siya kuan. Okay na, so
Mauwaw. Mauwaw.
mauwaw. Kinsa lang brother na lang.
JJ na lang na. JJ.
Brother. So according to them, no, kung mag-inom daw tag wine or something atong inom kay habang tumatagal, lalong tumatamis, no? So yun ana din kinabuhi. It's not always in a good place, dito permi nga malipayon, no? There's always a betterness. Ay, balik din sila sir. Ano kasi? Kailangan makita yung nagwapo. How are you related sa igagaw?
So on.
Ay, so brother. So say something, your wish, your good thoughts, sa imuhang magod, and let's have a toasting of Coke kaliwan. Unsa to?
Kasi gapos.
Gamay lang dyan. Unsa imong debate no nga sa una gamay pa kaya siya pagkaroon tubo na nag-celebrate na unsa pwede rin yun na nimo express karon gabi una kay di na siya mabalik no once in a lifetime experience.
Tara lang sila kay happy birthday.
A big round of applause, please. Sige. Make some toast. Toasting a wine. Now let us celebrate now. Another victory, another life, and a good future ahead. So happy birthday. So you will now drink. Yes, cheers for the better life. Thank you so much, brother. Sige, ako na rin. Kasi wine ba? Okay. Sige. Okay na? This time, I want you to please stop the person beside me. Paling kong hiccup. Paling na mag-hiccup. Ina nga, guwapa kay karon, guwapo kay naman. Oo, gana. Dapat you have to believe that power, no? Paling kong hiccup, kuhita. Guwapa kay karon gabi una.
Okay, tapad dire.
Karon, no, son? Dito ako agi ka na. Okay, this time, can we have the dinner siguro, no? Okay, manihapon ta. Okay. But, okay, manihapon ta with a twist ha. Okay, please, I want you to raise your right hand. Palihog ko raise sa inyong right hand. Ay lang pala kay Pasig Malima ho. Bitaw. Raise your right hand and repeat after me, everybody. I state your name. Chris Herda. Ni promise nga.
Promise nga.
Magpabilin hantod mahuman ang program.
Pabilin hantod mahuman ang program.
O dilisan pamutos sa mga pagkaon. Kaya kung dili gani, At ngan sa host sa gawas. O ipaluwa ang ikaon. O klaro na ha, bitaw ha, walay manguli atong homeland no, ang program kay special malingata. Okay, you may not take your dinner everyone. God bless. See you again later. Bye bye.